In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MySQL to Google Data Studio. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, head over to Looker Studio. This is where you'll start setting up the data connection. It's essential to ensure you're logged into your Google account, which has the necessary permissions for accessing Looker Studio. If you're familiar with the Looker Studio interface, great. But if you're just getting started, don't worry, because I'll guide you through every step. Once you're on Looker Studio, you'll need to navigate towards the data sources. This section is the hub for managing your various data connections and integrations. Think of it as the control center from which you can import and manipulate all kinds of data sources to create compelling visualizations. Next, you'll want to click on Create New Data Source. This action allows you to specify which data type you're looking to connect. By creating a new data source, you open the door to enriching your reports with fresh, dynamic data directly from your Mysql database. After clicking Create New Data Source, it's time to identify the type of database you want to connect. So, in the search box, type in MySQL. This will help you quickly locate the necessary connection type among the diverse options available. Now that you've found MySQL, go ahead and click on it. This step is crucial as it establishes the foundation for your connection. Click on it and it will guide you through the initial setup process, leading you to the authentication stage. The next thing you'll see is the database authentication option. Click on this to start the authentication process. This step is critical for providing access rights so that Google Data Studio can pull the required data from your MySQL database. Make sure your MySQL database credentials are handy, as you'll need them here. Once you've reached the database authentication prompt, click on Authenticate. This final step secures the connection, ensuring that Google Data Studio has the necessary permissions to fetch data from your MySQL database securely. And there you have it, you've successfully connected MySQL to Google Data Studio. Now, you're ready to explore new territories with your data visualization efforts, making comprehensive dashboards and insightful reports like a pro. Remember, being able to visualize your data dynamically allows for more informed decisions and deeper insights. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy data exploring,